20% of 30% of 40% of 50% of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4 percentages. How exciting. Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, we are going to solve this fun little math problem. But before you start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then write your answers in the comments below. After that, come back here and compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. So I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get us started. But where should we start the solution? To solve this type of question, remember, each percentage is a fraction. Also, of in mathematics means multiply. So 20% is same as 20 over 100 of times 30%, same as 30 over 100 of times 40% is same as 40 over 100 of times 50% is same as 50 over 100 of times 100. Next step, let's make it simple. We have here 1 0. We can cancel off this 0 with this 0, this 0, this 0 cancel off, this 0, this 0 cancel off, this 0, this 0 cancel off, 2 zeros here, 1, 2 cancel off. Now, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4, 24, 24 times 5, 120. On top we have 120. And denominator, we have 110, 210, 10 times 10, 100. Now again, we can cancel off this 0 and this 0. We have 12 over 100. 12 over 10. As you know, 12 over 10 is same as 1.2. And this is the correct answer. Have fun.